Hello, this is Norma and welcome to my channel. Today I am not cooking. I'm going to my sister-in-law and she's making a dish called bitter leaf. So I'm gonna take you guys along while she makes it. Okay, I'm at her house. So let me show you the ingredients she's gonna be using. This is chicken soup, Maggi cube. This is bone dust. So it's bone that was dried and they beat it. This is shrimp, dry shrimp that was beat. This is chicken Knorr seasoning. She's gonna be using accent. This is salt. Okay, here there's dry fish. They seasoned it and smoked it in Liberia, and I brought it. It's been in my freezer. It was not enough, so last night I smoked some mackerel, and I also smoked some chicken in my oven. For seasoning, I'm gonna use Benny. This is the powder one. This is the ground agusi. I have 4 packs, so the ratio is 1 pack of bitter leaf, 2 pack of agusi. So I have 4 of the agusi, the ground agusi, and I have 2 packs of bitter leaf. So this is it. The Nina brand, or any brand you can find. The first thing we're gonna do is to blend the pepper and the onions together. Okay, I'm about to blend the onions and the pepper. I put a little bit of water because I don't want my blender to get messed up. If you don't eat pepper, you can just do it with the onion. So these were 2 medium yellow onions. I'm gonna close it up. I got some in the microwave if you hear that noise. This blends so well. So it's blended. Okay, she's gonna show you, because it's bitter leaf and it's bitter. She's gonna show you, you need to wash it and strain it to get the bitterness out. So she's throwing it out of the pack. She has a bowl right here that she's gonna put it in and just keep washing it. So it has some strings in there that she's taking out. You know, when they pack it, you can't control what they put in there.
It's true. Where is strainer?
So now she's gonna strain it. Okay, she washed it, she wrung it out like you wringing out clothes, and she did it 4 times. So now, this is what it looks like, and we're gonna go on to the next process. She took the dry meat out of the pack, she washed it, and she's gonna put that in. She broke the dry fish, and now she's gonna start to boil it because we know this is gonna take a longer time to cook. So let's go to the stove. Okay, she has put water in the pot and it's almost to the top. So she said what she does, she takes either a spoon or this, she puts it in there, and when she cover it, it will never boil over. So there's some information for you to get. So the stove is on, and when she's ready to go to the next process, I'll be back. Okay, she's been boiling it now. She's about to put the bitter leaf in. So she's putting that's the shrimp. No, that was the bonitas. This is the shrimp.
Wait a minute, I should know them.
And this is the chicken Knorr seasoning. Okay, she's putting a little bit of accent in there. I don't cook mine with that, but that's how she cooks hers. So if you want to add it, you can. Now she's gonna put the onions and the pepper.
Put the soup in there.
Okay, she says she's not going to put Maggi cube, but she's going to put the Benny in there because when she tastes it has salt. So this the pack of Benny that she's going to put in there. I opened it on the wrong side. So remember, if you don't want to put soda, don't put it. If you don't want to put accent, don't put it. If you want to put pepper, don't put it. This is how she cooks hers.
Wait, hold on. That's enough.
Now she's about to put the agusi, and she says she's going to do it a little bit at a time. You see the water? There's still water in there, but it was not a lot of water. She's putting it and stirring it. I'm sorry if the pan is before you. I'm doing the best I can to record it. She's adding some more. So I told you need more agusi than the leaf. About to add the oil. So I told you I don't like to add my stuff if I do it in the oven because it's not that dry. I don't like to add it early. So I'm going to add it now. The chicken and the fish. The bitter leaf is ready. I'm going to plate my food and taste it and tell you if she did a good job. No, I know she did because she's an excellent cook. So let me plate my food.